In video 1, you learned how to create and save a customized Top Science Excel workbook. In video 2, you learned how to create a new observation and enter pre-observation data in your workbook. In video 3, you learned how to load an observation record in your workbook. In video 4, you learned how to record 10-minute interval observation data in your Top Science Excel workbook. It is important that you watch those first 4 videos in this series prior to watching this video. You will no doubt make multiple observations for a given study. This video demonstrates how to prepare your workbook for a new observation. If you have not already done so, open your Top Science Excel workbook, enable the macros, and restore the function buttons. Notice when your workbook opens, it opens to the last place you saved it. To create a new observation, you must be in the Pre-Post tab. You will need to clear the previous observation before you can create a new observation. As long as you have updated and saved this previous observation, clearing the observation will not result in a loss of any data, as the previous observation is safely saved in the database and can be reloaded at any time. In the Pre-Post tab, click the Clear button. A Clear Observation pop-up will open. Don't forget, if you're continuing directly from the previous observation, you must update and save that data before proceeding. If you're certain the previous observation has been updated and saved, then click OK to clear the current data form from Pre-Post and Interval tabs. You may now enter the class information and observation code for this new observation in your workbook. Continue by entering your teacher responses for the pre-observation survey, and then begin recording your 10-minute interval data. Don't forget to update and save after every interval recording. Visit the Top Science page on the EDC's website for additional Top Science tutorial videos, or to access the Top Science Excel Observer Reference Guide, which provides a detailed overview of the Top Science Excel workbook, including technology requirements, background on how the protocol was developed, and information on what each portion of the protocol entails.